I think you are searching about watch repair kit, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality watch repair kit? Need free shipping watch repair kit? Looking for watch repair kit having large number of tools? Looking for watch repair kit having waterproof cases? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best watch repair kit. Number 1. JOCESTYLE watch repair kit, and the feature is material, metal nylon. Feature, Horloge Gereedschap. Adjustable case opener, excellent for opening waterproof cases up to 34 mm. Spring bar remover, for strap adjustment or replacement. Item diameter, 0.15 centimeters. Let's go for number 2. Sanda watch repair kit, and the feature is material, stainless steel. Feature, small, lightweight, portable, easy to use and durable. Item length, 20 centimeters. Item diameter, 10 centimeters. Net weight, 0.498 kg. Let's go for number 3. Sanda 144 pieces watch repair kit, and the feature is material, metal, plastic. Feature, stainless steel, multifunction, Horloge Gereedschap. Style, Herramientas Reloj. Number of tool, 144 pieces. Item weight, 0.49 kilograms.